Nah, we back, ladies and gentlemen. It's your man, Little Peso. As you know, my man had a crazy collection of Jordans, had no clue what he was sitting on. I said, yo, send me those Jordans right now. And here we go, 18 pairs of Jordans. I'm reviewing them all. We're doing sneaker battles. It's going to be nuts. So what's in the box? Let's find. These are Spizikes. My man, his collection, 18 pairs. Pair of 5, a pair of 1, a bunch of 4s, a bunch of 3s, and a pair of Spizikes. Gotta love Spizikes. Monsters brew of multiple Jordans. Got a lot of design features from 5s to 4s, a little bit of the 3s. Gotta love the elephant print up here. We got a little bit of splash over here. Kind of the clear translucent netting. Beautiful sneaker. He originally paid $175 for these. I think these are going for like $250 on StockX. Nice little investment for him. He had no clue. But let me tell you, these are just the tip of the iceberg. He's got crazy fire. Look for those videos. We'll link to them in the description. Back to these. On the midsole, black here, white, gray, you know, kind of your standard Jordan 3 outsoles, gray, red, white, Jordan branding. Let's see what we got on the back. I'm actually not that familiar with Spizike. Created for my boy Spike Lee. You know he loves Jordans, made Jordans famous in his movie Do the Right Thing. So obviously that's his photo right there. You know, and I'm not a sneakerhead, so I don't claim to have full knowledge, but I think some people like these and a lot of people hate these. I can see it. Like this is actually a pretty dope colorway, so it's kind of hard to hate these. Here we got the lace lock from the 5s. We got the tongue from the 6s. So these are combining a lot of different shoes, and I love it. I've seen some Spizikes that are trash. These are not them. What do you think? Are they fire? Are they trash? It's your man, Little Peso, and I'm not a sneakerhead.